I can't have nothing to myself, huh? Get one shipment, and this is what y'all decide to do with it. Y'all see my cape? Look at my cape. I am your father. And today we are going to be trying a whole new thing. I know you're seeing me like this and you're like, what is she about to do? Work out? No, I'm not about to work out. I'm about to do this amazing fashion haul from Flamingo. You can't sleep on them, okay? Flamingo is cute and not costly. We're all about building skills, using talents, and finding new hobbies. And I think one of my new hobbies is going to be shopping, okay? I mean, seriously, these outfits are so cute. I can't wait to show y'all this Flamingo. Okay. I want to give y'all measurements and sizes to reference in case you would decide to buy any of these things yourself. I'm 5'4", 5'3.5" without shoes. I am 32 to 35 inches around the waist, but when I'm tucked in, you know, you do the, ooh, I probably get that down to about 28 to 30 inches. Tucked in right now, so right now I'm probably about 30 inches around the waist. In pants, I normally wear about a size 6. Tops, medium, large if they're tight. My dress size is 8 to 10, probably more about a 10 about now. Your girl ain't been working out in a while. These outfits are so cute. I can't wait to show y'all this Flamingo haul. So let's go! All right, so this first outfit is the turtleneck gray ribbed sweater dress. Gotta keep it tucked in, you know? Ooh!
Tucking it in there? What you tucked up? What you tucked up? You tucked up? I'm in there.
I decided to pair it with these boots. I don't know if y'all can see them. And aren't they cute? This is such a good like fall outfit to me. You know, I don't even need to wear a jacket when I go out besides like maybe a little half cropped jacket on top to kind of accentuate the curves. Paired it with some gold jewelry. I like it. I will say, I love me a good turtleneck, okay? However, when putting this turtleneck up over my afro, that is mine because I bought it. Yeah, it was a struggle because there's not that much room to get over my head. So I had to kind of pull my hair out in order to put this shirt on. Like, there was no tag on the inside, so I don't know if I put this thing front to back or back to front. I don't know if this is inside out or what. You know, well, it looks nice. It looks nice. I love the like loose, almost kind of puffed sleeves. I paired it with some tights for the first time around because it is a sweater dress. It is long enough to be a dress. However, let me show you what else you can do with it. Pair this with some jeans and you got yourself another cute outfit, okay? Versatility. Here with it. I paired it with some black boots, some booties, I guess. Would these be called booties? Booties? I don't know what they're called. I'm not fashion girl. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is more me because I'm not really a girly girl, like unless I'm going out with my man. So this is more like get up, let's go, ride, out. Plus, I have pets, so wearing tights, let alone black tights, it's harder to keep clean in my house. We get you a little 2-in-1 bundle, a little 2-piece and a biscuit here, okay? I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Earrings and stuff had to come off for this one because, not because I wanted to go out into the street and fight anybody, but I mean, this is just too comfortable. You know, this is not dress up type of wear. This is definitely loungewear, chill around the house, you know. When I tell you this material, the material is so comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing my sheets. Like it just feels, I could go to sleep in this right now. But it's still cute at the same time. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You can't go wrong. This is definitely chill around the house. But if you need to get up and go, throw you on some sneakers. Do the little, okay. Tuck that down a little bit. Make this a little bit cuter. Throw some sneakers and some earrings on. Dress it up a little bit. You know, just a little bit. Girls nights with this outfit. This is giving me girls club vibes for sure. Chilling with this outfit, comfortable but still cute. You know what I'm saying? Not showing off, but chilling, you know? I can see myself throwing this on for the airport. You ain't gonna lose me in this. Bright as hell. This is definitely giving me tracksuit vibes, but like not fully. You know what I'm saying? Like it's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah, super cute. Ooh. So this is the solid button belted waist elastic jumpsuit. I got it in a large. Well, what do you think? I need a bigger size for sure. I thought, like, normally a large works for me. I have larger, wider shoulders, and I'm big chested. I do normally need to go a size up, and me going large is a size up. This is too small. Like, This is making me feel fat. But I guess I would have to go an even larger size up. The material is so thin and it feels so not secure up here that I feel like if I do anything explosive or animated, I'm gonna rip or tear this thing. Like, it feels so fragile. This material is so not it. So the bottoms are scrunched. So I paired it with these because I felt like these kind of worked, but I already am like turned off of this outfit anyway. Like, no, it's a no for me, dog.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
But even when I tuck in, I'm scared to tuck in. I'm scared to tuck in. This thing gonna bust open. Ooh, let me go on out of here, y'all. Okay, so this is more like, this is just nice, chill, like laid back me. I'm just such a laid back girl. I really don't get dressed up like that unless we're about to do something. Cute little hoodie. There's pockets here. And there's pockets here. Drawstring and skirt. You know, it's funny because as I was putting this on, I noticed this little drawstring part was here, but I thought it was just to help you, tuck in. But I did not have any indication that this was a skirt too. So I'm supposed to have this down. I'll be right back. This is so weird. This is different. I think I like it. I bought this because I thought it was a hoodie. So them trying to tell me you're supposed to wear it as a hoodie and a skirt is like, I don't know if I would have bought this if I would have known that. And I also don't like the drawstring strings here and then the strings here up here too. Like, that's conflicting to me. But this does make me want to go throw my jeans on again. But I'll be right back. Hold up. See, to me, this is more like casual. It almost feels like the skirt part is forcing it to be more dressy than it is. What's wrong with just chilling? Girl from the block. Iconic. I'm gonna get on to the last outfit and we'll talk. And you know my favorite color is yellow. So when I saw this on Flamingo, I thought I need it now. Very wow, who is that? You know, who is that chick? Who's that girl? La 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 la. What's my name, yo? I'm wearing the wrong bra, I think. Maybe I need to wear like one of those cup only bras or something. Wide open. Or just keep my arms down the whole time. I don't know. Something. Yes, sir. I like it. I just wish it fit me better. And how the model was rocking it, I think I only semi-rock it. I think I'm not tall enough like her. The sleeves are too long. But I like need to wear it. Ooh! Because my cape. We got a Darth Vader cape going on here. Let me do this properly. I am your father. I'm not tall and lanky enough for this, I think. With heels, I can kind of see it. I can kind of rock it. I might need to get this altered. It also wouldn't hurt for me to do some side ab workouts on this one. It gives me strong black woman vibes for sure. It just don't fit me right. Something need to change. Something. It's not all the way. So comment down below what y'all think about all these outfits. Do you think I killed it? Are you gonna potentially see what Flamingo's all about? What you think? I tried, and I'm not completely happy, but I'm also not completely disappointed either because I mean, it's Flamingo. Last time I shopped at Flamingo, I got workout tights, and their tights were pretty great. Like, I like the tights, and I like their loungewear. I just don't know if their formal and outerwear is it. I did love that turtleneck though. So I'm glad I tried them. So I actually know what to expect from now on, what to do. Let me not step on my cape here. You know, you have to be open-minded and free-spirited with these things. Well, anyway, thanks for watching this video and seeing me trying on Flamingo's outfits and seeing what else they have to offer. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to be my friend and join me in trying all of these different things, so hit the subscribe button. Hit me up on all my socials, which are linked on the screen somewhere below and down in the description. If you're interested in the music, check out Koji Productions. His information is down in the description as well. Remember to be open-minded and free-spirited as you try these things, okay? That's the only way we're going to figure out this life. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, friends! I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar.